Okay, everybody want to grab their cups? Okay, just for a minute.
Trying to light the fire was hard. It's a nice feeling to see it actually light up. Whoa.
Smoke is going to be tough.
I think that this is going to be one of the best cups of tea I'll ever have. I want to get out of here.
All right, guys, grab your cups and we'll have a cup of tea.
I'm here.
Yep. Hold on,
Did you have a tea bag for me?
we do. But people have been using caves for thousands and thousands of years all over the world. Do you know where ye slept last night? Imagine that in the middle of winter, in the worst of weather. So somewhere like this, okay, there's a bit of a breeze coming in, but you'd be dry and you would be warm. So they're really, really good hideouts. So guys, we lift our cups to life in the cave, okay? Life in the cave. So, will we sleep in here tonight?
No.
No, I think this is just a lovely place to visit and then move on again. But before we go, we're going to do one last thing before we actually leave, all right? We're going to use the mud around us to do a little cave painting. There we go. This is mine. Brilliant. I love them. Good, good, good. That's perfect. Ah, yes, that's perfect. Love it. Good man. And there'll be one more. The Kerry Bush kids, we're here. All right, everybody, we ready to ship out?